Well, lots going on in the markets. You've got the budget, which is keenly awaited by market participants in the midst of earnings. And today we spoke on ET Now with Samir Arora of Helios Capital to find out his outlook on the budget, sectors, earnings, and lots more. We started off by talking about his recent tweet, talking about a lot of interest within paint companies, and he chatted about that as well a bit, talking about how the paint industry in the last few years has done very well in the country, and that Grasim looks like a strong entrant within the paint sector as well, so that's something to look forward to. But in general, for the market sentiment, he's not very appreciative of the bullishness that we're seeing. He believes it's being hyped up right now and that the COVID crisis is still nowhere close to over, though he is back to his office right now. So he says there's no need to exaggerate what's going on with the markets right now. We are being aided by a lot of FII flow. There is that recovery trade which is being seen in the markets as of now. But a lot of countries worldwide as well are seeing very stringent measures in place in order to prevent COVID, and that India's market is going up on the recovery trade and economic growth. We also spoke extensively with Samir Arora about the budget expectations, and he believes that the budget decisions on taxation, that's going to be very crucial to watch out for. Tax incentives across sectors, tax collections as well in the next fiscal could rise very sharply, and a hike in direct taxes is unlikely, and it's not going to go down well with the markets at all. He believes that you need to avoid self-goals as the economy recovers, and India, in a sense, Samir described as becoming a tenant in its own system. Infrastructure, all of these are big macro goals. They take a lot of time to fructify, but nonetheless, when it comes to sectors, he's bullish on the prospects of consumption-facing segments. He likes the traditional sectors like financials, IT, pharmaceuticals. Those are pockets that he remains quite bullish on, and he believes that long-term money will always be made in financials, retail, as well as the consumption sectors. Financials, he believes, still continues to remain as a sector rather underpenetrated in India, but this is a pocket definitely that he continues to remain rather bullish on. He believes that there has been a lot of churn in the last few years as well in the financial sector, but Samir Arora is of the view that sectors that have traditionally done well for market participants will continue to do well. So as I said, looking at spaces like financial, consumption, retail, a lot of these spaces is what he's bullish on. Several sectors have been hit very badly according to Samir due to the pandemic. They've been beleaguered, and the budget should, FY22 budget should aim at improving the overall ecosystem.